The articulated bearded dragon actually finished a couple days ago. I just haven't been able to get back to it. Took 8 hours and 51 minutes to complete. So I print these on a raft, even though the MatMire Makes, who made this file, he now has a copy where the tail is actually it has the brim versus a raft, so that the tail doesn't pop off. But I've had a lot of success with doing a raft with this type of thing, so this is the first time I've printed the articulated bearded dragon. I just thought I'd do it on a raft and we'd go from there. So at this point it should just pull right off. It lifts right off when the bed's cold. I do have some stringing going on. I believe a lot of this is because of the video doing a time lapse. It causes a little bit of the stringing, which isn't really that bad, because it'll go from here when it's on the bed. It goes from here, positions, moves the bed out, takes the picture, then moves back. So you get a little bit of stringing from that. If I wasn't doing the time lapse, I would not have some of this stringing. You can see where the supports are actually, they're starting to break off quickly. There's the head with the connecting piece. Need to touch up just a little bit with the X-Acto. Now, I'm usually successful of getting tails off. The feet I'll probably have to use the X-Acto knife on. And rather than mess around, I think I'm just gonna get my X-Acto, turn the camera just a little bit. I know you're not going to be able to see this, but I'm just taking the blade and sliding it under the little toes, trying not to cut my arm off. One more. Oh, we're still stuck right here in the front. So there's the raft with the supports, which I use the tree supports on this. Then we've got the dragon. Loosen up the arms a little bit. Arms and legs. That leg is tight. It'll take a little bit of work to get it loose. And so is the other side. If I remember right, so now we got to get the head on. I think I'll put it on the right side up. That might make sense. There's the articulated bearded dragon in a brown. I think it actually turned out very well for my first time printing this one. I think there was a way to have them stand up. I'm not going to mess with it right now.